Drawing layers on your Mapme map don't have to be just visual elements, they can also be interactive and actionable. You have several settings to help tailor the experience to what's most useful for your audience. By default, drawing layers are not interactive, but you can change that and choose one of the following actions. Map Home. When users tap or click the drawing, the map resets to its initial view. This is a helpful way to let users quickly return to the map overview. Location. Tapping or clicking opens the view and details of a specific location. This is ideal for regions or areas that represent more than a single point when a simple pin isn't enough. Category. This option filters the map to show only the locations within the selected category. It's great for regional layers where users can tap or click to explore all places in that area. URL. The drawing becomes a clickable call to action that opens an external link. You can choose whether the link opens in a new tab, the same tab, or a modal window. This is especially useful for drill-down maps, where each region leads to its own page or map. By default, drawing layers don't show their names, but you can choose to. Show the name on hover, available on desktop only. The label appears when you move the cursor over the drawing. Always show the name. The label stays visible at all times, even when the drawing isn't selected. Make your drawing stand out with a highlight effect. When enabled, a border appears around the selected shape. This setting only works with filled shapes, not lines. You can customize the border's width, color, and style using the controls below. And that's a wrap-up. Experiment with your drawing settings, and if you have questions, let us know through our chat.